Hello everyone, I am Harshit Pavandia, a student of IIT Delhi in the Computer Science Department. I am also a mentor at Rankers Prep. Today I am here to talk about some of the important strategies that you should have in mind while attempting the paper for JEE Mains. So, as you all must be familiar with the pattern of JEE Mains 2021, which is that there will be a total of 90 questions, out of which you have to attempt 75. 60 of them would be without any choice, and you have to attempt all those 60 questions, which will be the MCQs, and then there will be a set of 30 questions which will be of numerical value type, and you have to attempt 15 questions out of those 30 questions. So let's begin with the strategies. First of all, I like to keep in mind that all the students are not the same. There are two categories of student in which I like to basically divide you. It's not more of a divide, it is more of a thinking. Okay, so one, an average student who is aiming to get selected for JEE Mains, maybe hope for advance and achieve a good rank in advance, and the second set who are aiming for a 100 percentile score, or you can also say a rank in the top 500. So let's begin with the second category first, which is trying to achieve a under 500 rank in JEE Mains 2021. So for that, I like to talk about what you have to keep in mind. So when you are trying to achieve a score or a rank of under 500, you should always keep in mind that you have to go with the mindset that you will achieve full 100% marks, no carry on, nothing. You have to go attempt all 75 questions that you have to for full marks, that is 300 or 300. And with that mentality, you should attempt the paper. So here also, I like to talk about a few things. Now, first of all, where do you begin the paper? That comes the main thing. So according to me, do not change your plans very much. You are already a good student, you are aiming for an under 500 rank, so you know your strategies, how you have played so well until now, and that's how you should keep going. Something that I'd like to remind you is that always start with your strength, because there is no factor more important than confidence in the exam of JEE Mains. Maybe in advance it is more of a time-based thing or a different strategy altogether, but in JEE Mains you should always go for the subject which gives you the most confidence, because with an experience on myself, I have the experience, and I am telling you that a paper which has started well ends well. It's very, very important, and always keep that in mind. Suppose I am good at chemistry, so I'll always begin with chemistry first. Okay? So यहाँ तक हम लोग बात कर लिए. You know how to begin the paper, how to proceed with it. Now, there comes the difference. This point was same for all the students basically. An average student should also start the paper where he is more confident, but how to attempt the paper? Here I would like to cause a divide. Not more of a divide, but still a strategy. So, if you are going for under 500 rank, you know that you have to attempt all the questions, right? So, if you think you are good with speed and time management, you should attempt the questions line by line, go through it at once, like JEE Mains तो कुछ है ही नहीं हमारे सामने, ठीक है? And we'll kill it, and we know how to kill it. So you attempt all the questions line by line, you know how much time to give, you know that you can cover that time if you take some extra time, and you kill all the 75 questions at one go. That's a strategy which toppers usually apply. I myself also believe in that strategy. Now second, if you are not so confident, here comes the important thing. Then pick the questions which are very easy. Like you can look at them and solve them. So here what you are gonna do is, like you saw a question, there will be 2 rounds in attempting. You saw a question and you think that this is easy, you do it. Even if you have the slightest hint that you cannot do a question, that ये question मेरे से नहीं हो रहा है, या फिर एकदम से strike नहीं कर रहा है कि ये question कैसे करें, तो skip it. Leave for it at the end. So in this way, if you complete 60% of the paper, assuming that you know 60% of the paper, or let's say 60% of the paper that you are going to solve. Here comes the part where average students can also relate. Suppose out of 75 questions, you already have some thinking in mind that you will attempt 65 or maybe 60 questions. So out of those 60 or 65 questions which you are gonna attempt, hypothetically, and if you finish 60% of those 60 or 65 questions in suppose 35 to 40% of the time or 30 to 35% of the time, then it gives you a huge advantage. Not physical advantage, a mental advantage. You are really free. Think about it. Like 60 क्वेश्चंस अगर है उसका 60% क्वेश्चंस हम लोग खत्म कर लिए, ठीक है? तो हमारे पास कितना क्वेश्चन बचा? 24 क्वेश्चंस. नाउ जेईई मेंस का पेपर जो होता है वो होता है 3 घंटे का, एंड इफ यू यूटिलाइज सपोज 33% ऑफ द टाइम में तुम 36 क्वेश्चंस अटेम्प्ट कर लिए, विच इज 1 घंटे में अगर तुम 36 आसान सवाल कर चुके हो तो तुम्हारे पास 2 घंटा है और 24 क्वेश्चन बचे हैं करने के लिए. This is for those who are attempting 60 questions, who have a thought in mind that they will attempt 60 questions. So now think psychologically, what will be the situation? You know that मेरे को तो यार 24 क्वेश्चन और करना है और मेरे पास टाइम है 2 घंटे. इतने में तो जेईई एडवांस का पेपर सॉल्व कर देते हैं 2 घंटे में 24 क्वेश्चन. ये तो जेईई मेंस है. तो now you will be able to give a lot of time to those 24 questions, and believe me, you will be able to complete 24 questions in like an hour or so. ठीक है? This gives you a huge advantage. You are gonna attempt 60 questions. Now you're already done with 60 questions in let's say 2 hours or 2 hours 15 minutes or 20 minutes, whatever. ठीक है? तो अब जब तुम 60 क्वेश्चन अटेम्प्ट करने वाले थे, तुम्हारे पास 45 मिनट्स स्पेयर है, तो मे बी जो बचे हुए 15 क्वेश्चन है उसमें से भी तुम 6 कर लोगे, है ना? तो दैट गिव्स यू अ ह्यूज बोनस. लाइक 6 क्वेश्चंस इज अ बिग डील. ठीक है? अब ये हो गया एक बात. अब हम लोग चलते हैं दूसरे बात पे. सेकंड राउंड में यू विल गिव अ लॉट ऑफ टाइम, यू विल डू द क्वेश्चंस, वेरी गुड. यू विल डू 6 क्वेश्चंस एक्स्ट्रा दैट यू कैन डू. अब हम लोग चलते हैं दूसरे साइड. ठीक है? अब हाउ मच टाइम टू गिव टू पर सब्जेक्ट. ठीक है? दिस इज अ इंपॉर्टेंट पॉइंट. ठीक है? कीपिंग इन माइंड, मे बी तुम 2 राउंड में अटेम्प्ट कर रहे हो, मे बी तुम 1 राउंड में अटेम्प्ट कर रहे हो, लेकिन जो पहला राउंड है, और इसमें भी मैं बोलूंगा कि तुम्हारा पहला राउंड जो मैं बोलने वाला हूं वो उसके लिए है जो सारे क्वेश्चंस अटेम्प्ट कर रहे हैं. ठीक है? जो कुछ क्वेश्चंस अटेम्प्ट कर रहे हैं वो उसी रेशियो में अपना टाइम को कम कर लेना. सपोज यू आर अटेम्प्टिंग 60 क्वेश्चंस आउट ऑफ 75 क्वेश्चंस, देन उसी लिमिट में टाइम, जैसे 60 आउट डिवाइडेड बाय 75 इनटू 100. डू अ बेसिक मैथ कि तुम कितना परसेंट क्वेश्चंस अटेम्प्ट कर रहे हो, और मैं जो टाइम बोलने वाला हूं उसका उसी परसेंटेज को कम कर लेना. ठीक है? उतना ही परसेंटेज ऑफ ओवर टाइम लेना. So let me begin. The first important thing is concept for chemistry. Now, according to me, chemistry is the best thing that can happen to you in JEE Mains. ठीक है? जब मैं JEE Mains का एग्जाम देता था, तो मैं केमिस्ट्री के लिए 20 मिनट्स देता था. मुझे पेपर केमिस्ट्री का 20 मिनट्स में अटेम्प्ट करना है. बहुत बार वो 20 मिनट से कम में हो जाता था, बहुत बार 5 मिनट एक्स्ट्रा लग जाता था. But it gave me a huge advantage. Second comes physics. Physics में many people are slow, many people are good at it, many people are okay at it. ठीक है? तो those who are good at it should give it 40 minutes. You have to give it 40 minutes because वरना silly mistakes होना चालू हो जाएंगे. ठीक है? Now, if you are okay or bad at it, still you should give it max to max 1 hour, not more than that. ठीक है? पहले attempt में तो कम से कम. Then comes maths. In JEE Mains, although maths is very easy and very scoring, I believe that maths is the most scoring part of JEE Mains because JEE Mains में ऐसा क्वेश्चन पूछा ही नहीं जाता जो गलत हो जाएगा अगर तुम खुद गलती नहीं करोगे तो. ठीक है? तो maths के लिए you give 1 hour. You think in mind that you are giving 1 hour 15 minutes, but it will be okay in 1 hour. ठीक है? तो 1 hour में जब तुम मैथ्स अटेम्प्ट कर लोगे, if you are a good student, you will attempt maths in 1 hour, you will attempt physics in 40 minutes, and you will attempt chemistry in 20 minutes. So basically, you will attempt the whole paper in 2 hours. अब तुम्हारे पास 1 घंटा बचेगा. Give that time for a second round. जब तुम वापस से सारी चीजों को रीचेक करो, रिविजन करो, जो बचे हुए क्वेश्चंस हैं उनको पूरा करो. तो ये थी कुछ इंपॉर्टेंट स्ट्रैटेजीज जेईई मेन से रिलेटेड, एंड आई बिलीव दैट these strategies helped me a lot, and I hope so that it will help you a lot too. So please press the like button if this video helped clear your perspective about the JEE Mains exam, Also, do click on the subscribe button if you want to stay tuned to our updates to the regular videos we are going to provide on JEE Mains and Advanced. Do mention on the comment section about more topics you would like to see the videos on that may help you, and our team of IITians at Rankers Prep will ensure our level best to help you. Do visit the Rankers Prep website to know more about the personal mentorship program and check out the description of this video to know more. Thank you.